Hi, in this video, I'll be showing how we can package a model in a Docker and then we will access it from another Docker. So I'll just let's go to the VS Code. So I have two Dockers here. One is Docker server, one is Docker client. So this is basically where the model is packaged, and this is where this is a separate Docker where you can access the um, user interface where you can input text and which will fetch the results from this Docker. So what you have to do here is this Docker server we have model.py. So this is that small LM as v2 with 135 million parameters which we have done last time. So this is the model file. This is the model file, and now we have to package it. So to package it, we have to have a Docker file. You give the specifications, give the library details, what are things you require, give the port number. It is running on 8000, and then you have to run it. So to run both the Dockers at a time, you have to create a Docker network. So in my case, I have to make a Docker network like this. So this is your Docker network, create model net. I'm already created this network. Now let me check. UCK Docker network ls. Yeah, this model net is already there. So this is fine. Now you can just okay to before to how to package it. I just wanted to tell this one line command where to package it. You have to go to that particular directory and do the Docker build and image name. It will package it. Now to run it, I have to run this command. This is, I'll first type it, then explain it. So this is docker run -d-p. This is running on 8000, and name of the container. It will create a container. Name of the container is model container, and this is network we are doing on the whatever network we have defined model net. On that will run this container, and image name is model server. Image I have already created. I can show my Docker desktop. These are the two images we'll be using. One is model server, one is client UI. So those images are created. Containers, there is no containers. So let's run this. It should, it's created a container. Now we'll go back and see this is container created, and if you go inside, you'll see the log is up and running. Now if you want to go to this localhost also, you can run. So this is on the root. I have defined this message here which is here. This is app.py, right? This message is here. This message, it is displaying on the root, and ideally it should fetch the generate text from this API. Generate. But since this is a get request, so since generate is a post request, but nothing is, but we are accessing here as get request, so it is not showing. To actually test it with post request, we can do like this. We can do like copy this call URL, and we can, I'll do it clear here, I'll do it clear here, clear, and I'll do this one is this like. So see what I have done. I have called post request, and this is the URL which is localhost 8000 that's running, and prompt is hello world, and if you put, it should give you a text. So in this way we can test the model container standalone. Let's wait because it is inferencing from the model. Yeah, so you can see generated text is here. You can see this, it's creating some words. This model is not trained enough, that's why it's random um, words are prompted, but this is just to So how to access it from through API. That's why this demo is. So now we'll do one more Docker. So this Docker server is created. This Docker client UI. So this is one more Docker. It's created. This has got this API. This has got this um, Docker file which has got very limited things. This is the first API. Web interface will make and try to access and it is exposed on 8080. Other one is exposed on 8000. This is exposed on 8080. So let's run this. To run this we have to use the same network so that these two Dockers can talk to each other. See, this is Docker run hyphen d 8080 and this is name is client container, network is modelnet and image is client UI. And here you can see in the container you have only model container. So when you run this you'll have one more container will come, client container. Now model container, client container are running in the same network, modelnet. If you go to the logs you can see this is also up and running. You go here, you'll see you can see the text generator. This is the text generator UI. So you can see there is localhost 8080 is the client and localhost 8000 generate um, is the model container. So this is the model container. Now these are running in two Dockers. Now you put the text. The best way to learn is generate text. Yeah, and so the input format is the best way to learn programming this way. And this is giving you some output which is coming from the model. So both are running locally and in two Dockers. You can see it here. Both are running locally in two Dockers, to the client container, model container. That's it. Thank you.